In this video, let us solve for x. Our given question is square root of 2 plus square root of x is equal to 2. Let's start the solution of this question. Okay, our given question is square root of 2 plus square root of x is equal to 2. Taking square on both sides. Now, according to this formula, a plus b whole to the power of 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can apply this formula on the left hand side. So square root of 2 square plus square root of x square plus 2 into square root of 2 square root of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Here square and square root cancel with each other. It become 2 plus x plus 2 square root of 2x. We multiply these two is equal to 4. Now I can write it as 2 square root of 2x on the left hand side, and I shift the above term 4 minus 2 minus x. Now again we solve this, so it become 2 square root of 2x is equal to, we can write this as 4 minus 2 is 2 minus x. Now again squares on both sides. So it become, according to this formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We can apply this formula on the right hand side. So also we use this formula, a times b whole square is equal to a square times b square. We use this formula on the above equation. So it become 2 square times square root of 2x square is equal to 2 square plus x square minus 2 into 2x. In the next step, this become 4 times square and square root cancel. 2x is equal to 2 square is 4 plus x square minus 4x. In the next step, this become 4 times 2 is 8x is equal to 4 plus x square minus 4x. I shift this to the right hand side, so 0 is equal to 4 plus x square. When I shift this become negative, so it become negative 12x. Now 0 is equal to x square minus 12x plus 4. Now I rearrange it So x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation which general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 12, and c is equal to 4. Now I am going to the next page. Okay, dear viewers, I write the below quadratic equation here. Now the formula which is used for quadratic equation is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We put value in this formula, so x is equal to negative into negative 12 plus minus square root of negative 12 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Now x is equal to 12 negative negative positive plus minus square root of this become 144 times negative 16 divided by 2. Here x is equal to 12 plus minus 128 square root. Now divided by 2. From here x is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 64 times 2 divided by 2. Now x is equal to 12 plus minus separately square root on each term 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Here x is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 64 is 8 and square root of 2 divided by 2. Now write separately 2 on each term, so 12 divided by 2 plus minus 8 square root of 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now from here x is equal to 6 plus minus 4 square root of 2. Now x is equal to, this is x1 which is equal to 6 plus 4 square root of 2, and x2 is equal to 6 minus 4 square root of 2. These are the two values of x. I review the question, so see carefully, and if you enjoy the video then please subscribe to the channel for more this type of square root algebra problem. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.